I got it.
I think this lady's crazy.
How do you know how to do this stuff?
Dismantling bombs overseas.
I'm sorry. What did you say? Dismantling bombs? You never told me that. You said you were like special ops, but you never said you were like dismantling bombs.
That's what I said. Sergeant?
Please hold.
Good morning.
Hello, this is a free call from an inmate at the Orange County Corrections. To accept this free call, press 0. To refuse this free call. This call is from a correction facility and is subject to monitoring and recording. Thank you for using Global Tellink.
Hello?
Yeah, hi. Is this?
This is Jeremy. I'm so fucking sorry to call you so early in the morning. I'm sorry, sir. I have first appearance at 9 a.m. I hope you can make it. Jennifer's coming. She told the police that she told them nothing, and she said that I didn't put my hands on her or anything. She didn't fill out a paperwork or a statement at all. She twisted her ankle at the office, and she called 911, and the police came, and they arrested me for battery. And she said that she told them, and it even says in the report that she refused to fill out a witness statement or charges, and that we're dating, and we're not dating. We haven't been dating in 3 years, almost 4 years. And
Yeah.
she put in Detective Smith's statement saying that we were dating when he charged me 6 months ago. She hurt her ankle in the car, and they came out and said that because she wouldn't write a statement, that they were charging me with dating violence.
Okay. Well, she needs to be there.
She's gonna be. She's already at the office moving the cars around because they took me while we were at the office. We were moving cars. Yesterday, somebody keyed all my cars, spray painted all my cars, and cut all the tires on all my cars. And me and her were working to get everything cleaned up and fixed. And she twisted her ankle, and she called 911 because I mean we were a little angry, obviously we were talking crazy, but she twisted her ankle and in one of the cars, and they came out and made it sound like I hit her or something, and I'm like, dude, I didn't touch this girl. What are you talking about? And she even says in the report that I never touched her, but then they kept asking her to fill out charging papers, and she refused. She's like, I'm not filling out papers. I'm not charging him. I'm not doing anything. She's already tried to call the state attorney's office and everything, and she's going to be here at 8 in the morning to talk to somebody because she's apologizing over and over on the phone. She's like, I'm so sorry I called. I was just calling for help. I didn't know they were going to arrest you.
Right.
This is just crazy. Every time somebody calls the police, we called the police because they vandalized my cars, and they sent a bunch of cops like I did it or something. Anyways, 9 a.m. The court's at 9 a.m., sir.
Okay. I don't know if I can make it there, but I'll do my best.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
She needs to be there now.
Yeah, she said she's getting dressed and she's on the way here now. She said. So.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for using Global Tellink.
Anyways.
Well, but she's jerking his chain. I mean, I get it.
Illegal, immoral, improper. Excuse me, I'm talking.
I think this lady's crazy.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Ms. Burton. You contacted me this morning to let me know about this, correct?
Yes.
What is it that you wanted the judge to know about this arrest?
Well, I mean, I initially called because I had an injury, and then the fire rescue did show up, but then so did 8 OPD officers. And they held me and Jeremy there for about 2 hours because they kept asking me if he had beat me or if he was abusing me. And I refused to make a police report, and I realized what they were trying to do. It wasn't what I originally called for. And so I said I wouldn't answer any more questions. When I asked to speak to him, I said, if he and I speak to you together, we can explain what happened. They said they were going to arrest me if I tried to talk to him at all. So it turned from me having an injury to, as I said, 8 OPD officers showing up.
You called for medical assistance, correct?
Right.
Okay. Did you call because Mr. Dewitte had done something to you?
No.
You want to make sure, I want to make sure that the court understands you are currently a contractor for
Right.
Mr. Dewitte's company, correct?
Right, and I was there this morning working in vehicles and everything. And I mean, that's what happened, so.
So, Your Honor, I'll proffer some information for the court's consideration, and I can have additional testimony elicited from Ms. Burton if necessary. Ms. Burton has been a contractor for Metro State for some time now. Their vehicles were vandalized, their tires were slashed, they were spray painted. Ms. Burton and Mr. Dewitte were dealing with that at the time that she got injured. And so I don't really understand why this is being characterized as a domestic violence battery case. I think her testimony is clear that that's not what occurred. So I'd be asking the court to find that there's a conflict in the statement made by law enforcement and the sworn statement here today, which confirm that this, in fact, was not a domestic violence battery case, and I'd ask that you not find probable cause based on her testimony. Certainly, I can have her proffer any additional information that Madam Prosecutor, Your Honor, would require in order to make that finding.
Well, Mr. Ledan, she started off with the situation not so good. Because I asked her if something like this happened in the past intentionally to see if she would tell me the truth. She didn't. Look at the face sheet I'm looking at, there's several acts of domestic violence between these two individuals. So I don't know.
Stop! Get away from me! Get away from me! I have a county. Get away from me! Hello, ma'am. Hello, yes. Stop! Get away from me! Stop! Hello? Help me. Yes, what's going on? My name is Jennifer, take a deep breath for me, Jennifer. What's going on? I was trying to get in my car and then I don't know what he is. My boyfriend. He slammed my foot in the door. Okay, what's his name? Jeremy Dewitte. Jeremy Dewitte? Yes. Is Jeremy white, black, Hispanic, Asian? He's white. Stay! Get away from me.